Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another quick video. So I'm here with the Samsung Galaxy Tab E9.6. I know it's been a while since I've made a video on this tablet. That's because there hasn't been much development going on. However, I've got some good news. There's a new ROM. It's called Resurrection Remix Rom. So here's the boot screen. So there's the boot animation there. Resurrection Remix. Okay, so I just installed it like 20 minutes ago. So I'm going to test it out over the next few days, see how well it runs. But so far it seems okay. So let me just go into the settings real quick. Okay. So here's the memory. So it's using 629 megabytes out of 1.4 gigabytes of memory. And it's Android 7.1.2. Still not Android 8 or Android 9 or 10 or 11. We're still pretty much stuck on 7.1.2. And I think the highest version is Android 8. I did make a video on my channel. So if you want to install Android 8 on your Tab E9.6, check out the video. So this ROM is Resurrection Remix and it's Android 7.1.2 Nugget. Okay, so let's check out the wallpapers that come on the ROM. So these are all the wallpapers. Seems like the developer is a football fan. There's a Liverpool FC wallpaper and also an Arsenal wallpaper on there. Let's check out the widgets. So these are all the widgets that come with the ROM. Okay, let's test out the camera. Let's snap a picture. Okay, so the camera's working. Anyway, I don't want to make this video too long. Like I says, I'll be testing out this ROM over the next few days. And feel free to ask me any questions about the ROM in the comment section down below. If you want to see a tutorial on how to install Resurrection Remix ROM onto the Samsung Galaxy Tab E9.6, just let me know and I will do a tutorial video. Also, screen rotate does work as well. A lot of people always ask me when I make these custom ROM videos about the Tab E9.6. They always ask me, does screen rotation work? And as you can see, it works really well. So yeah, that's it for the video. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up. Share the video. It's your boy, the Android Doctor. And I will see you in the next one. I'm out. Deuces.